This year, the Ecology Center is 52 years old. For over half a century, we've been improving the health and environmental impacts of urban residents. We develop practical, local solutions that are more widely adopted across the state and nation. With global challenges like plastic pollution, the broken food system, and climate change in mind, we demonstrate and replicate the best practices for a more sustainable and just future. Over the decades, we initiated recycling as a mainstay practice in the nation. We've helped build an alternative local food system in the state, and we've reduced food insecurity by making it possible for low-income Californians to use their federal and state-funded food benefits at California farmers markets. We've raised public awareness through grassroots campaigns that have led to passing laws, including legislation that reduces plastic pollution, curbs the consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages, reduces toxic chemicals, and sets zero-waste goals and guidelines. As a multi-issue resource for the community, we cover a wide range of topics and issues. Today we're focused in fighting for a safe and stable climate, accessible and equitable food for all, and an end to single-use plastic foodware and packaging. We continue to work to make it possible for every member of the community to live sustainably. Though the conditions have changed over the last 52 years, the need for our work has only grown. The last 2 years were tough for the Ecology Center and our community. Yet, despite the unfamiliar and difficult circumstances we found ourselves in, we pressed forward. In 2021, just providing essential farmers markets and recycling services was a challenge. But we achieved much, much more. We had over 2.5 million visitors online last year. An average of 66,000 people visited our websites each month, and approximately 171,000 people visited our social media sites. We administered the distribution of $14.7 million worth of CalFresh and market-matched food benefits to low-income shoppers at farmers markets across California last year. That amount has doubled since the start of the pandemic. Our curbside recycling served approximately 25,000 Berkeley homes, from which we collected 8,600 tons of recyclables. That translates into 100,000 trees saved and 30,000 tons of CO2 emissions that were not released. This is equivalent to taking 6,500 cars off the road. From our help desk and resource center, we responded to inquiries and provided information to over 30,000 community members, and 57,000 people read our sustainable living and zero waste blogs online. The Berkeley Farmers Markets operated for 150 market days, supporting over 60 small, family, organic, and sustainable farmers and vendors who sold to a cumulative total of approximately 200,000 shoppers in 2021. We led 30 disadvantaged youth through our Youth Environmental Academy, providing 150 paid hours of environmental literacy, on-the-job training, and experiential learning. Our youth interns and program assistants initiated, helped write, and introduced Berkeley's new expanded plastic bag reduction proposal. With the knowledge and experience we gained from operating these direct, local services and other pilot projects, we advised and influenced the formulation of state and federal legislation. Some of the anti-plastic bills we supported in 2021 included eliminating the false use of recycling symbols on unrecyclable plastic packaging, reducing the manufacturing of plastic packaging, and increasing efforts to recycle, and limiting the export of plastic waste to less developed countries. The Ecology Center led the charge to secure $15 million in state funding for healthy food incentives for low-income Californians. We co-founded the Alliance of Mission-Based Recyclers, AMBER, to bring an authentic voice back to recycling industry and to reclaim recycling's rightful role in protecting our planet. We are countering the greenwashing coming from the plastic industry and genuinely working towards a zero-waste solution for the people and our planet. The Ecology Center has come a long way since Earth Day 1970. Most importantly, we're still here, a beacon for a society facing environmental challenges and looking for positive ways to adapt and evolve. We're very grateful to you, our community, for supporting our work through such challenging years. Your memberships, donations, and sponsorships keep our programs and services going strong. With your financial support, we can leverage our experience to make the significant changes we need for a more sustainable and just future.